Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into DIRECTV account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in www.directv.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will land you on this page, and now in order to log into your account, click on sign in button that you will see at the upper right corner of this interface next to this upper button. Click on there and a dialog box will pop up. From there, click on account overview. Then you will get into sign in page. Here enter your user ID associated with the DIRECTV account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID, you can recover it if you click on this link provided that says forgot user ID, or if you don't have an ID yet, you can create now if you click on this link. Now once you're done typing in your user ID, then click on continue, and on the next page you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your correct password, and after that click on login, and on the next page you should be able to log into your DIRECTV account. So that's how you can log into DIRECTV account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.